Hey everyone, welcome back to Jobkar. I'm Shabana and I'm here with a new video, and today we will discuss about hiring from AutoRABIT. But before that, I would request you all to subscribe to Jobkar for more job updates and placement preparation related videos, as we upload videos on daily basis for job recruitment and placement preparation. Then it will definitely help you if you are a student and preparing for the job. So please do like, share and subscribe. So with that note, let's start today's video. So AutoRABIT is hiring for software engineers. So this is about AutoRABIT profile. So AutoRABIT is a leader in DevOps and CI/CD or SaaS platforms such as Salesforce, and its unique metadata capability makes a release management version control. So you can go through this. I will provide the link in the description box. We will quickly move on to the job role. Okay, so this is an immediate opening for software developer to join our team for Java developers who develop, maintain, and enhance our commercial web-based applications. So, okay, so this is basically a immediate job opening for software developers. So, and this will be based on Java. So, if you know Java, then this is for you. Okay. Now, roles and responsibility. If I talk about, they are contribute in all phases of the development life cycle and write well designed restable efficient code, designing, developing and maintaining a fintech system, and using Spring Boot microservice architecture in-house hosted system, develop enterprise solution architecture for new age system and deploy system in-house and over cloud, and mentor and troubleshoot issues faced by junior team members and advise management or technology decisions. Okay. Now desired skills and experience. We will quickly move on to this. So they want good knowledge of Java, Angular, CSS, JavaScript, and HTML should apply, and a person that is highly passionate and keen to learn by doing is what you typically are. Okay, so you should have knowledge about all these things. Core Java required with Spring Boot preferred. Okay, and web services with REST good to have, and including awareness to microservices and knowledge and exposure to AWS and JavaScript required Angular. Okay, HTML, CSS, and usage of Git and knowledge of DevOps and excellent programming and problem solving skills. So these are the desired skills, or you can say experience, they want in you. So based on this, if you have an idea about all these technologies and languages, then you can apply for this job. Okay, we will quickly move on to the educational and qualification criteria. So they want BE, BTech from CS and IT from undergraduation. And if I talk about post graduation, post graduation not required, MTech, CSE, IT, and MCA in computer. So basically post graduation not required, but if you have done MTech in CSE or IT and MCA in computers, then you are eligible for this job. And year of passing should be 2021 and 2022 only. Okay, so these two batches are eligible from BE, BTech, ME, MTech, CA from MCA. Okay, so these four degree are eligible. Yeah, so experience, they want freshers. Your package will be 8 to 11 LPA, so this is a really good package for a fresher, but you should have knowledge about all the skills they have mentioned. Okay, so your work package will be 8 to 11 LPA, and this is really good. Okay, a location will be Hyderabad, and currently it is work from home, and website of the company is www.autorabit.com. So if you want to know more about the company, then you can visit this website. Okay, now if you are eligible and want to apply for this job, then I will provide the link in the description box to apply for this job. You need to fill this registration form given here on the right hand side. Okay, so you should give your first name, your last name, your email address, your phone number, your address. This is not required, but you can give your address if you want. Your resume, you should attach your resume, and that should be updated one. Okay, so you should attach your updated resume. Now, earliest start date. So you need to give the date from which you can join the company. Okay, so you need to give the earliest date from which you will be available, your current location, and are you willing to relocate to Hyderabad if work from office resumes. Okay, so you need to give yes here, because obviously if work from office start, then you have to go there. Your highest qualification, which is graduation or post graduation, your highest qualification given here, then stream, from which stream you are, your college, your university, and year of passing, your post graduation percentage, 12th and 10th percentage, and primary programming languages. So this opening is for Java developer. So if you know Java, then you can write Java here, and other than that you can write any language which you are proficient in. Okay, now your secondary programming language and your efficiency in Java programming language. So you can give any programming language in your primary and secondary, but you should give your efficiency in the Java programming language also, as this opening is for Java developer. Okay, now, are you available to immediate joining? If working, please mention notice period. So they want 0 to 1 year of experience. So if you are working, then you should leave your company. So you should give the notice period, that in how much days you will be free, and you need to give a yes for the answer of are you available to immediate joining. Okay, so like this you can fill this form. This checkbox is already checked. You need to submit your application now. Okay, and after submission, the company will coordinate to you through your email ID which you are registering here. So be active on that email ID. Okay, and this is all for today's job update, guys. If you like the video, then you need to hit the like button and subscribe to Jobker for more job updates and placement preparation related videos. And also, guys, follow us on Instagram at Jobker_official, and you will also get the Instagram link in the description box. And yeah, please support us by liking and sharing the video, and also subscribing to the channel. We really need your support, guys. And this is all for today's video. I'll be coming back with more such kind of videos. Till then, take care and bye bye.